In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use arrays in Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Google Sheets. This takes you to your spreadsheets so you can get right to work. Open the spreadsheet where you want to use arrays. Once it loads, click into a blank cell where you want your results to appear. A good spot is in a new results column, next to your existing data and not on top of any headers. This helps keep your sheet clean and prevents overwriting values you still need. Now we'll write an array formula. Type an equals sign, then type array formula, followed by an opening parenthesis. Using array formula tells Sheets to process entire ranges, not just a single cell. This is perfect when you want one formula to fill results down a whole column automatically. Next, highlight your first data range. For example, if you have numbers in a column, select the cells you want included. After that selection appears in the formula bar, press the plus sign on your keyboard. The plus operator tells Sheets you want to add corresponding values across ranges, row by row. Now highlight your second data range. Make sure both ranges line up and have the same shape, typically the same number of rows in the same orientation, so each row adds to the row beside it. If your first range started on row 2 to skip a header, do the same for the second range. Mismatched sizes can cause errors or unexpected blanks. With the two ranges in place, type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. The full structure looks like equals, array formula, opening parenthesis, first range, plus sign, second range, closing parenthesis. Before you confirm, take a quick look to ensure there are no extra spaces or missing brackets. Press Enter. You should see the result spill down automatically from the cell you selected, with each row showing the sum of the corresponding cells from the two ranges. That's the power of arrays in Google Sheets. One formula, many results. If you don't see results, double-check that your output column is empty, the ranges don't overlap the output, and both ranges are the same size. If numbers don't add as expected, confirm that the cells contain numeric values rather than text. And that's it. You've successfully used array formula to combine two ranges and return a column of results in one step.